Hello beautiful people, and welcome to this week's video. Today's topic is going to be all about how to prevent aging in your 20s. So let's jump into it. So I know you're probably thinking, like, what are you talking about? You do not have anything happening regarding aging in your 20s. Those are the best years of your life. But the first beginning signs of aging, or the first physiological changes when it comes to your skin and aging, happens in your mid to late 20s. So around 25, around age 25, that is when cellular turnover begins to become a little bit more slower. And so what that means is that your skin is not renewing itself as often as it should, which can cause your skin to become a little bit more drier. Your skin is going to be a little bit more textured, and it's not going to have that glow that you would like. Another thing that happens around 25 is that your body begins to slow down with its collagen production. So collagen is responsible for giving your skin its structure and its plumpness and that firm, youthful appearance. So you will notice that that begins to slow down. And lastly, due to hormonal fluctuations and imbalances, you may have an issue with adult acne that will present itself. So there are 3 things you can do that's going to help to treat, correct, and prevent a lot of these aging signs and symptoms. While they are still going to happen and we are still going to age, we can of course focus on working to age gracefully as much as we can. So the first thing is to make sure that you are following a very nutritious and well-balanced diet. And some things that you can do with your diet is make sure that you are consuming foods that are known to help stimulate collagen production. Foods like kiwi, berries, almonds, leafy greens, and garlic are all known to have a positive impact on collagen production. In addition to collagen producing foods, you want to make sure that you're consuming antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidant-rich foods is going to protect your skin from oxidative stress and damage. So antioxidant-rich foods, as we all know, are going to be your berries. So think strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, cherries, all of the berries. Also orange, grapefruits. Cantaloupe is full of antioxidants. Apples, broccoli, tomatoes, prunes. Just eating a wide variety of fruits and vegetables is going to be really beneficial and a great source for you to get your antioxidants. If acne and hormonal breakouts is a concern from you, you are definitely going to make sure that you are consuming the foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, since omega-3 fatty acids are super beneficial at helping to decrease inflammation within the skin. So consuming fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, or mackerel, as well as nuts, and eating foods that contain healthy fats such as avocado. All of these things are really, really good and beneficial when it comes to making sure that you're getting those omega-3 fatty acids and helping to combat inflammation within your skin. The second thing that you're going to want to do is you are going to want to make sure you are following a killer skincare regimen. So your skincare regimen should work to include anti-aging benefits, or not necessarily does it have to be anti-aging products per se, but you're going to want to make sure that you're choosing products that contain specific key ingredients that are designed to help increasing cellular turnover, helping to stimulate collagen production, while also decreasing inflammation and helping to control hormonal breakout. Chemical exfoliants such as glycolic acid or lactic acid are going to be your friend because they're going to work to help to increase cellular turnover. Glycolic acid and lactic acid are also beneficial because they can increase hydration levels in the skin as well. When it comes to boosting and increasing collagen, you want to look for ingredients such as copper, vitamin B3, peptides, as well as retinol. These are great ways to stimulate collagen within your skin and to help to plump up and decrease the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And overall, you're going to want to make sure that you are practicing good skincare hygiene and following a good skincare regimen. That means that you're cleansing your skin every morning and that you are cleansing and treating and correcting your skin every evening. And that every day you are applying an SPF 30, which is going to protect your skin from unnecessary sun damage, which can lead to hyperpigmentation in the form of dark spots and sunspots later on in your life. And lastly, the best way that you can combat aging is through a healthy lifestyle. So this means that if you have unhealthy habits such as smoking, you're going to want to cut out smoking. Smoking is going to contribute to the onset of fine lines and wrinkles, not to mention it can severely dehydrate your skin and cause issues with dryness and skin texture issues. You're also going to want to stop picking at pimples, scabs, and scars on your skin, since this can lead to further scarring and further damaging of your skin in the long run. It's also important that you avoid ultraviolet tanning or UV tanning or sun tanning and look for better options such as spray tanning or using sunless tanning products. Practicing self-massage on a regular basis, where you are using a tool to massage in products such as your serums, where you're using a jade roller, whether you're using just your hands and just specific techniques to help massage in your creams or your lotions. This is going to help to increase circulation. It is also going to help to aid in the better penetration of the products that you're massaging into your skin. And it's also going to give your skin a more plump appearance as well, which is going to decrease the appearance and look of fine lines and wrinkles. And you also want to look into using cosmetics that have skincare benefits that's really going to go the extra mile, either providing antioxidant support, helping to hydrate your skin, or maybe just helping to give your skin a collagen boost, or helping to decrease the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Whatever it is, you want to look for cosmetics that are really going to help give you skincare-like benefits when it comes to caring for your skin. It's also important that while you're doing everything you can to maintain and protect your skin at home, that you are seeking out professionals that are going to provide very well-balanced facials to your skin, where they are treating and correcting issues and helping you to maintain your skin, and that you're doing this on a regular basis. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you found this informative and helpful. If you did, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button, and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, so that way you're notified of videos that I upload here on this channel. Until next time, here is to redefining health and staying forever young. Bye.